So this is what I did. It's been wrapped now. So that's what it looks like. So I put the Raptor on it. All the way down the sides on the steps. And the rear bar. It's done. I moved these because they were over here and I moved them to there. Look at the room I've got now when I shut the bonnet. See what I mean? Much better. It's not even nowhere near gonna hit. See, before it was, well, that's where it hit. Right there. So now look at the difference. And all I done was just cut them off and just moved them to there. So it seems to have worked. And that's what it looks like wrapped. But also I sprayed it with a clear coat to try and just protect it a little bit. And I put this on. It's all magnet, so when you let it out, it's magnetized in behind there. But yeah, I'm just in the process now of putting the lights back in it. And that's for the sand flag, but I think it come up all right. All the way underneath there too, so I think it looked alright. Had like a sparkle to it with that top coat. I wish I could have put more, but I only had 2 cans. But who knows, I might do it again, might wash it up and get it nice and clean and give it another coat. Get another couple of cans. So there you go guys, that's wrapped. It's all done. I'll let you in on the when I put the lights in. Catches! Don't forget to touch my thumb up thing and say hi. You know, it's looking okay. I'm putting a bonnet protector on it today too. Alright, catches, bye.